Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraban's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this example, we are loading an OST email database and processing it natively. Open E3 and create a case. Click on Add Evidence. Select Email Database. Select Auto Detect. Select File Not Folder. Point E3 to the OST database. Select RAW Mode. RAW Mode displays all database content including system, orphaned, and deleted items. Right-click the top of the Outlook storage and select Advanced Search. Load your search terms and select Start. Once the search has completed, left-click on a result to highlight it blue. Then hit Ctrl-A to highlight all the results. Right-click in the blue area and select Export. Choose EML format. Choose the best options in the export wizard for your case. Once the export is complete, click on Add Evidence. Select Email Database. Select Folder Not File. Point E3 to the location of the saved EML files and folder. Your export search terms have been added as new evidence.